Hello traders, we are back again with one more setup, which is NZDCAD. So before we talk about it, let's check the date and the time right here. So let's refresh, and currently it is 4:42 a.m. Monday 25th of May 2026 in EST. Coming back to my chart, we are on the 4-hour time frame right now, and we have entered long at this candle. We opened with a gap, and this is the candle where I entered long. Okay, so we are going to go long for the previous highs. So this black line is my take profit, so enter long, and I'll come back and record the video when the take profit is hit, meaning that when the price touches my black line, I'll come back and record the video. Till then, see you again. Hello friends, we are back with a take profit video now, and you can see the price has touched my black line, and we have closed the trade with take profit. Before we talk about it, let's check the date and the time quickly here. So refresh, and it is 8:29 a.m. Wednesday 27th of May 2026 in EST. Coming back to the chart right here, we entered somewhere here, okay, on this red candle. We entered here on Monday, I guess, and then we went down, which was fine because this is your uptrend pullback and new high. Okay, so we exited around 8162, and the telegram, you will see the screenshot in the telegram. I forgot to send it to my computer, so go and check the screenshot in the telegram. Go and join it if you haven't. So we entered here, and we are out at this point. We made 48 pips in this trade. Okay, 48 pips in 3 days. That's fine, that's not bad. And if you want these setups before they actually happen, because when you're watching the video, everything is done. I was in on Monday, I'm out on Wednesday, and you're watching this video after everything has happened. So if you want these trades when I take them, then go and join the first link below, my mentorship program. Otherwise, yeah, you will only watch these videos after everything is done. So if you want this, then you will find the link below my YouTube video, I guess, maybe in my Telegram, or maybe you are already in the sales page. So go and help yourself, join the program, and I'll be in touch with you in the chat. You can see Microsoft Teams at the bottom. You can chat with me 24/7 when you join the program and ask your questions. So go and join it. Until then, see you again.